When upgrading your car audio system, choosing the wrong speakers can ruin the entire experience. Some brands focus more on flashy marketing than true sound performance. Today on autoNmoto, we're exposing the top 5 worst car speakers for sound quality that you should avoid if you care about crisp, clean music. First, Boss audio systems. Boss speakers are everywhere because of their low prices and flashy wattage claims. But in real-world use, they produce muddy mids, harsh highs, and almost no usable bass. Even casual listeners notice the distortion and poor tonal balance early on. Second, Pyle speakers. Pyle markets their products aggressively, but the sound performance doesn't match. Their car speakers typically deliver thin, brittle highs, flat mids, and a weak, hollow bass response. They might look decent on paper, but in your doors, they sound cheap and unrefined. Third, Planet Audio speakers. Much like their amplifiers, Planet Audio speakers fall apart when sound quality matters. Bass is bloated, vocals are muffled, and treble lacks clarity. These speakers might get loud, but they don't get musical, and that's a major problem for any serious upgrade. Fourth, Soundstorm Labs, SSL. SSL is another budget-focused brand that sacrifices audio fidelity for loudness. Their speakers often suffer from extreme distortion at moderate volumes, shallow mid-bass, and rough, unbalanced treble. Even compared to other budget brands, SSL struggles to deliver enjoyable sound. Fifth, Rockville Coaxial speakers. While Rockville amps have a growing fan base, their entry-level speakers disappoint. Real-world feedback shows weak mid-range reproduction, harsh highs, and a lack of low-end presence. They simply don't offer the clean, balanced sound most people expect even from affordable upgrades. In conclusion, saving money on low-quality car speakers can cost you more in frustration and wasted upgrades down the road. Poor bass response, weak clarity, and harshness destroy the listening experience. If you're serious about improving your system, invest a little more in trusted brands that prioritize real sound engineering.